Well, we're on another Luke's Adventure run. We're going to the Hendersonville bowling alley. It's hard to be interested. Luke, you ready to go bowling?
Yeah!
All right, how about you?
I'm excited.
We'll come back to you on the other side. Bye-bye now. Wait for it. Wait for it. Uh-oh.
Come over here. And he's setting up and he's getting ready. Yeah! And there he goes. Yeah!
That's pretty good, buddy. That's good. So wait for the ball to come back up.
Get 5. Now wait. Hey, come here. Don't put your fingers because it's squishing.
There's your ball.
Let her get her ball out. Okay. Got it? Mr. Impatient, you see him going, yeah.
I need to take one of them off. I think it's that green one there. Hey, well, however you can get it down there, that's all that matters.
He's trying to I think she might be using, I think Elizabeth, is that the
There's a 9-pounder somewhere. Well, I didn't do much bowling videos because trying to keep up this camera, keep him from throwing the ball down the other lane and whatnot. I felt like it was best just to set this down and have fun. But anyway, hey Luke, did you have fun bowling? Did you get a strike?
Yeah.
Did you play games?
Yeah.
Did you do bumper cars?
Yeah.
Did we do a photo booth?
Yeah.
Did we do the Jurassic Park shooting game?
Did you shoot some dinosaurs?
Yeah. Well, all right, there's some more of Luke's adventures, and hey, peace out, brothers.